Hello my YouTube friends, good afternoon. I'm back after a long time. Many things happened. Two of my cats died, one after another in 3 months. And it was very sad time for us. So I didn't feel like to do any video. Then after a while I'm like, okay, maybe I'll start doing video again. Two of my favorite cats died. I mean, all of them are my favorite, our favorite, but what can you do? So today I am trying to show you this orange cattleya gets so big. It was in medium size pot and it get overgrown from it. And I don't know I should divide it or not, but for now I'm gonna just part it in this one. Maybe it was a little bit. It was in a little bit smaller than this one. I left it outside, so this was coming out of the pot like this. So I bring it out and I decided to plant it here. If I am not dividing it, and if I am dividing it, then I don't need to pot in this. I can put in a smaller parts. But for now, I'm gonna pot it. If any of you think that I should divide, tell me please. I hope you all are doing good in pandemic. My family got vaccinated, fully vaccinated, but now there is another problem start with Delta. So we have to get booster shots now. I hope that will work for everything. Anyway, so this one need a cleaning, and it's becoming very unruly, growing everywhere. So maybe it need divide. This is original. This is original, and now it's keep growing and getting a smaller and smaller cane. So maybe I should make smaller, division. So let me clean this and then I'll come back. Starting this, I am going to put all this, some of these lava rocks in the bottom. Because if I put whole thing in, then all these new growths coming, it will go in the bottom and it will get squeezed here. So that's why. Let's see after I clean what happened. So I'll be back after I clean it. Okay, so I finished cleaning, and while I was cleaning, it's kind of get separated because it's too crowded. You can see one part get broke here. This is the all the way end part, and here this one get separated first. So it's become 3 parts. And I think it's better in a way that gets separated, because it's giving growths, too many growths, and not getting a chance to grow healthily. You can see how much growths, new growths, and none of them are getting strong and healthy like this one. So these 3 is big. This one get a shape, it didn't grow, and so many new growth. So excuse me, I wasn't finding the card part. Here it is. This one is here. Yeah, and this one is here. Yeah, none of them have two cut. It's just 2 branches were there. This looks like broken from before halfway. I think that's why it gets broke very easily. You can see that this is dark here. You're just holding on these little things. This was already healed, broke before and healed, or maybe it's get dark. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow to part it. I'll see you then. So here is the three divisions. I put cinnamon powder and I left it for 1 day, and then I put fertilizer, and now it's all ready to pot. Okay, so I made some wire stick to support when I pot it. Right now it's not stable, but once I plant it will stable. Once I put the lava. So there is 3 divisions, so I make 3 sticks for support, and if it is one goes here, this one has most growth and most new growth also. So it's growing every direction, but hopefully it will be okay. I hope this will have enough space now to support the plant. Okay, so I tie with support three pieces. And I put the rubber up in the bottom to keep it raised, because if it goes all in, the new growth will hit the side. So now I'm gonna put the soil. Okay. So here it is. That's how it looks like. I think I accomplished what I wanted to. So this is it for now. If I see it's not working out, then I'll put it in three part. But for now, it looks good. It looks okay. Because I don't want to make too many parts for winter to keep it in. And I put the lava rocks in the bottom to raise the plant, so all the new growth can be out in open, not inside the pot, and grow easily. See, here is one, here is another one coming, here is one, here is one, here is one, here is one. It's too many new growth. So I try to keep all the new growth in the outer side, like this. See this one, and I think it looks good too. So I put support. First one I put like this, and then another two I put it from the bottom and bring it up like two sides here, and I bend this one so it's not going to poke me. So all of them are bent like this. So I think it looks better now and looks good, and enough space to grow into. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'm sorry I didn't communicate I didn't keep any communication with YouTube for a while because of my cats. And now I was like, okay, let's just see how it goes if I start the YouTube again. So thank you very much for watching, and please support me, and please share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.